When people visit your website, they're browsing, they're looking for information, and if you don't offer them something compelling, some good next step, they're going to bounce. We don't want that. We want browsers to become buyers, not bouncers. The problem is your big call to action is probably schedule a call with me. I think that's too soon. What you need to do is have a lead generation magnet on your website that answers the questions that are going through the mind of your audience. One of the best lead generation magnets you can have is your own book. Elaine Godfroy puts her book on her website, as do most of our clients, because that's what we teach them to do. That way, when somebody's browsing your website, they can opt in to get a free copy of your book. Now they're on your list. They're in your funnel. You're marketing to them. You're having conversations with them. So the reason you're not converting more leads on your website is because your call to action is wrong. Create a better call to action, a lead generation magnet. Send me a direct message or schedule a call, and let's talk about how to create